Hello, it's Emma Watson. I have the 16 gauge Stevens single barrel shotgun out here today. I'm gonna try it. I'm just wondering if it'll be all right for home defense, even though it's got some pieces missing. So I'm gonna try it just to find out. I'm a little nervous on that one. So we'll try it again. If this thing is, I'm gonna put one up in it and sit in my gun safe, just for home defense, you know. So it's got some junk missing, but I know it shoots pretty good. So we'll try it again. We always do. All right. That's number 6, high brass. That's the first one and the second one, and which is being nervous, you know. I think I'll load it up and use it. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you will. You know, I'd appreciate it. God bless. Have a good day. Bye-bye.